Japan widens coronavirus emergency for 7 more areas as cases surge. Hong Kong teenager returned by China appears in city court on protest-related charges. Russia on Wednesday reported 22,850 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. President Joko Widodo takes first job as Indonesia start mass COVID-19 vaccinations. In Syria, 23 people including 7 Syrian soldiers and 16 allied fighters were killed in air raids by Israel. Sudan and Ethiopia have accused each other of fanning tension on the border. Saudi Arabia has strongly condemned Israel's decision to build 800 new settlement units in occupied West Bank of Palestine. Indian farmers want to burn copies of new farm laws to press on their protest.